Hi guys, and welcome once again to my channel. My name is Suzy and today we are learning how to make our own disinfectant at home. How much disinfectant are you using in your house right now, especially during the COVID season? Because us guys are using a lot. And since I discovered how to make my own at home, guys, we are saving so much money. It's just amazing. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make it in your own home, and it's as simple as everything else we've been making here. So on this channel we are learning how to prioritize, how to organize, and how to save money at home. So welcome and let's get to it. So the ingredients for making our disinfectant will come packaged just like this, okay? So we are going to take them out of the bag, and I'll just show you guys exactly what comes in the bag, okay? So we have that one. That's the color. And we have this. Okay, guys, it's so easy, you will not believe it. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to put the first 3 ingredients into your mixing basin, okay? For 185 Kenya shillings, we are going to make 5 liters of disinfectant. Guys, 5 liters of disinfectant, and it is just as good as anything you can buy in the supermarket, you guys. So guys, on this channel we really just are looking at ways in which you can reduce our household budget and our spending, and that's the whole idea, okay? So I decided to be a bit more safety conscious and went and got myself some gloves. I would highly advise that you use these. So we are putting all our number 1s into the basin. Okay, so guys, for 185 shillings, you are going to have so much disinfectant. You will disinfect your entire house. Can disinfect even up to your roof if you want, guys. This is so good, especially in this season. And if you have small kids like we do, you just want to have the whole house just disinfected as often as possible, okay? So once we put the first 3 ingredients, so now I'm putting this one, we are going to mix them thoroughly. If you can also, it would be nice to get a mask if you want. Okay, once you're done mixing the number 1 ingredients, you will put in 2 liters of water. So I had already measured out my 2 liters here. So you put them all in and then you mix, okay? So you're going to mix until everything has dissolved. One of my lovely subscribers was suggesting that you can use a hand blender for this. And that's fine. If you have one that you don't use for mixing cakes and other things, you can use to mix, okay? But since I don't have a spare one, I will just use my mwiko. So guys, you have to make sure you have mixed it completely. So take your time. Okay, now I'm happy with that. As you continue mixing, you're going to add in the number 2 ingredient. Make sure that they mark for you at the shop the number 1s, the number 2s, and number 3, so you will know which one comes next, okay? So the first 3 ingredients that I have put in were marked number 1. So now we're going to the number 2 ingredient. So you're going to mix it in slowly as you're mixing, okay? So let me just show you. So you will continue mixing and pour it in. Once you're satisfied that it has mixed in nicely, you're going to add 3 liters of water slowly, okay? So I have the rest of my 3 liters of water here that I'm just going to pour in slowly as I am mixing. So you mix it in thoroughly and then you continue adding. Don't worry about the foaminess. As it settles down after mixing, the foam is going to go down. So take your time and mix it in completely. Make sure everything has dissolved inside. Okay, once you're satisfied with that, then you're going to put in the number 3 ingredient, which is the color. Remember, they will mark it for you at the shop. So I like to put in just a little bit and keep mixing until I'm happy with the color. I think I'll add a little bit more. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now the last thing we're going to put in is the number 4 ingredient, which is the perfume. So just pour it all in and mix it in. So there we have it, guys. Our disinfectant is ready. Okay, so we're just going to let it stand for a few hours or overnight, and then in the morning it's going to be clear and all the white foaminess is going to go away. So I just want to explain to you guys how to go about disinfecting the hard high contact surfaces in your house, especially during this COVID season. Okay, you are going to need a spray bottle like this. This is from an old bathroom spray that I used to have. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put 500 ml of boiled cold water or distilled water, because you don't want your water to have germs. Okay, then you're going to put 6 tablespoons of the disinfectant and mix it in thoroughly. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get a cloth, and get a cloth that is dedicated to this task. Okay, then don't spray like into the air like that. You are going to spray into your cloth and then wipe. Okay, so you're going to wipe your doors, your doorknobs, you're going to wipe the handles on your cooker, you're going to wipe, of course, the taps and the faucets, your sink. Another commonly touched place is the table. Basically any place that you know people tend to touch a lot as they go about their day. Okay, just make sure you spray into your cloth and wipe, spray into your cloth and wipe. You can use it also, especially if you have kids who like to crawl or who are just generally very active. You can use it also to wipe your floor. Basically, you can use it just clean everything, guys, in your home, because especially in this COVID season, we can't be too careful. Okay, so that's how I go about making disinfectant in our home. So let me know if you have found this video to be helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe and share with someone also who might think it's useful for them, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye. Guys, remember, after using disinfectant for any work in your house, that you need to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Okay, and I hope you are making your own hand wash at home. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it down below. And once you finish washing your hands, if you find that they are excessively dry, and if, like me, you just want your hands to remain soft and supple, I would highly recommend the cocoa butter that is straight from Ghana, pure cocoa butter straight from Ghana. I will link also in the description below where you can buy it on Jumia. And lastly, to prevent cross-infection, please make sure that you are changing your hand towels every day. Please don't rewind hand towels because that might increase the spreading of germs and the coronavirus and many other viruses. So link down below a place where you can get great hand towels at a great cost, guys. So remember, wash your hands after using disinfectant with soap and water, and change your hand towels often. Even the kitchen, the ones that you have in the kitchen for drying your hands, please change them after every 24 hours, guys. And be safe, sanitize, wear your mask, social distance, and all that. Thank you and bye.